Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a direct deposit on Chime. First, jump into your Chime app and head over to the Move Money tab at the bottom. From there, just tap on Set up Direct Deposit. This is your hub for everything related to your incoming payments. You've got two main ways to do this. The first is the do-it-yourself options. This gives you the routing and account numbers. This is perfect if you need to manually enter your info into a government portal for Social Security, VA benefits, or even tax refunds. The second way is even faster. Just hit Find Employer, and no, don't let the name fool you. This is not just for traditional jobs. You can search for payroll providers like ADP, but also gig apps like Uber, DoorDash, or Lyft. If you're a freelancer or getting unemployment benefits, you can often find your specific agency right here to link it instantly. Once you pick your source and confirm the details, you're all set. It usually takes a pay cycle or two to kick in, and that's it.